Dear friends, in ninth standard we are studying 11th lesson constructions. And the next point is to construct the perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. So how to construct perpendicular bisector to a given line segment. So let us consider a segment of 7 centimeters. So we will take one question. Construct a perpendicular bisector to a 7 centimeter line segment. So we will take one question. Construct a perpendicular bisector. Construct a perpendicular bisector to 7 centimeter line segment. Now let's see how it can be constructed. For this, we will have to first draw a 7 centimeter segment. Now to construct a 7 centimeter segment, first draw the points. One point at 0 and the other point at 0, the other point at 7 centimeters. Please note, watch carefully. I have made a point at 0. I have made another point at 7 centimeter. Now I am joining the 2 points. So let us give them some name. This point is A, the other point is B. Now, how to draw perpendicular bisector to this segment? So to draw the perpendicular bisector to the given segment, we take a compass, and on the compass we have to take the distance which is more than half of the length, half of the segment. So if it is less than half segment, please note these two arcs will not intersect and we will not be able to draw a perpendicular bisector. So we have to take a distance which is more than half. Make a arc upside and the other arc downside from point A. Now keep the compass on point B and make another arc which will intersect the earlier arcs. So we have got two arcs. Now join a segment intersecting two arcs. So this is the intersection point of the two arcs. This is also the intersection point of the two arcs. Now join this. Please note, whatever we have drawn is perpendicular as well as bisector of the given segment. This is equal. Now this can be verified with the help of compass. Keep a compass on A point and see that it touches the central midpoint where the line have intersected. Now keep the compass on B point and check whether it touches exactly the same point. So from this you will understand that if the compass is kept at A or B, it touches the midpoints. See here, again watch carefully. So thus, the line which we have drawn bisects the segment. Now with the help of protractor, we can check whether we have drawn a perpendicular as well. So for this, keep the protractor at the center. Please note, this 0 to 0 line must coincide with the segment AB. 0 to 0 segment is exactly getting coincide with segment AB. Please note the perpendicular matches with the perpendicular. That's 90 degree. It shows the 90 degree. It means the line which we are drawn is perpendicular as well as bisector of the given segment. Dear friends, we have next construction. To construct an angle of 60 degree at the initial point of a given ray. Means ray is given and we have to construct 60 degree angle at the initial point, that is the starting point of the given ray. Now we will take two rays facing the other way. That is, I will take one of the ray facing this side and the other ray facing opposite. So I have taken initial points in a different way. This is an initial point Imagine this is an initial point and the other point is this side. So this is a ray AB and this is a ray PQ. Please note, Q is the initial point of ray PQ and A is the initial point of ray AB. Now, how to construct an 60-degree angle at the initial point, that is at the starting point of a given ray. So, ray is given to us. Now, for this, take any distance on the compass and make an semicircular arc which will intersect the arc. Watch carefully. I have made an arc which had intersected the ray. Now see where I am keeping the compass. I am keeping the compass at the intersection point of the arc and the ray. Now make another arc. Draw a ray passing through the intersection of the arc and the starting point of the ray. So you will get something like this. Please note, while drawing both the arcs, I have not changed the distance on the compass. So this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. In this way we can draw if it is facing the right side. If it is facing left side, then also we can draw 60 degrees. For this, keep the compass at the initial point, that is the starting point of the ray, and make an arc which will intersect the ray in this way. Please note, don't change the distance on the compass. Then keep the compass at the intersection point of the ray and the arc. Draw another arc which will intersect the earlier arc. Now draw a ray through the same initial point, that is both the rays have same starting point. Verify whether your pencil touches the intersection point of the arcs. If it touches, then draw the ray. So I will name this point as C and the other point as R. Please note, here angle BAC is equal to 60 degrees and angle RPQ is also 60 degrees. In the earlier figure, we will name this as line A, line L intersecting at point C. So we can say that line L is perpendicular to segment AB and AC equals to BC. It means it is perpendicular as well as bisector.